What is going on, y'all? Today is actually Friday, but y'all be watching this on Saturday. So, let me tell you something real quick. This is going to be a really short vlog because I'm about to leave. I'm going to go to the farm for deer camp. I talked about that in the prior vlog. At deer camp, there is no internet, no Wi-Fi, no nothing. So I'm not going to be able to upload a video tomorrow. So what I'm doing is I'm editing this video today. I'm going to upload it as a draft, and then I'm going to try and get Wi-Fi signal at the top of my deer stand, hit the publish button, and call it good so you'll have something to watch tomorrow as well. Now, I'm going to be getting some really cool footage, hopefully, of deer camp, both today when I get down there. I've got to sight in my gun. I've got to, do some scouting, find a good spot, all that jazz. We'll cook some big steaks, have a great time, hopefully kill some deer, and put food in the freezer. And I'm going to get some really cool footage of all of that. My family's going to be down there. My brother and my dad got there last night. My buddy Chris is going to be down there. So it's just going to be a good time. I'll link last year's video. I made a cool deer camp video last year. I'll link that in the description of this video. So check out last year's deer camp if you're interested. But since I'm doing that, I won't have access to internet. I'm not going to be able to publish that until I get back on Sunday. Probably going to get back early on Sunday so that I can work on, editing that content and getting it uploaded and published. And then we're doing our keto brick launch of the cinnamon bricks on Sunday as well at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Real quick on that, it's just going to be cinnamon this go around. We're doing like a trial batch of 5,000 bricks, trying to get some feedback on that. So let us know what you think, if you like them, if you hate them, if you love them. Just, shoot me an email, shoot us a DM on Instagram on the Keto Brick account and give us some feedback on the cinnamon bricks. Couple questions I've had on those. Is there any caffeine in them? Yes, there's a little bit of caffeine in them still. The ingredients are all the same except the flavor has changed from mocha to cinnamon. But all the ingredients that are in the original are in there except we swapped out the mocha for the cinnamon. So take note of that. Yeah, so the bricks are launching at 5 p.m. Central Standard on Sunday. So I'm going to get back, edit the vlog of the hunting trip, publish that, launch the bricks, start packaging there. So honestly, this is pretty much just a quick clip that I can edit, upload as a draft, and then hit the publish button so you can watch something on Saturday. Which I'm going to make the whole point of this vlog, and that is consistency. This is going to be the 82nd, I think 82nd, maybe 83rd vlog in this Savage 6x6 series. So 82 days of consecutive daily vlogs. I'm proud of that. When I did the DSK series, that was 90 days of consecutive daily vlogs. This one's going to go on longer than that. I've gotten really comfortable with shooting these daily videos. The first daily video series I ever did was right after my second ketogenic competition. I did the 21-day 4,000 calorie challenge that Jason Woodrock did. And that was my first foray into doing these daily YouTube videos. And daily YouTube videos are freaking hard. I mean, it takes a while to kind of find a rhythm, find a pattern, get quick and efficient at the editing and the uploading, and then just the consistency, coming up with video ideas, coming up with something to talk about. Sometimes I don't have anything to talk about, and I'm left scratching my head, like, what can I make that's of value to y'all? And sometimes I come up short, sometimes I add something good. But I'm consistent with it. And I put more emphasis in that than most things. With most things in life, I always argue quality over quantity. But with something like the daily vlogs, you have to kind of hedge your bets both ways and do a little bit of both. If you don't have the consistency and you don't have the quantity, you won't build the habit necessary to keep doing it and then learn how to do it better. So that's why I'm a huge advocate for the daily vlogs. And not a lot of people do them because they do take a lot of time and effort. But I'm proud that I'm doing them. The first time I did it with that 21-day challenge, Crystal was just annoyed with me by the end of it. I was annoyed with me by the end of it. I was just sick of the camera. And now it's just part of the routine. It's just part of the day-to-day life. It doesn't even feel weird. It doesn't even feel like it's a hassle. And you change your perspective of it the more you do it. And the more you do it, the better you get. The better you get, the more value you add. So anybody's ever interested in picking up the camera, putting content on YouTube, and just putting themselves out there, I highly encourage you to do so. Even if you don't have this aha moment of what you're going to talk about. Only you can share your story, and only you can share it through the lens that you provide, and there's value in that. Like, somebody's going to be able to take that, watch it, resonate with it, and it's going to add value to them. So don't hesitate pumping out content because you don't think your content is valuable or worth anything, or you're not comfortable. Like, I wasn't comfortable with the camera. You have to build that comfort. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to get acclimated to it. So that's all I got to say about that. The main vlog will resume after I get back from deer camp. Just wanted to throw all this out there. Be consistent. Bricks coming live on Sunday at 5. Going to go to deer camp, have some fun, enjoy the outdoors with family and friends, and kill some venison for the freezer. So that said, I'll see y'all on Sunday.